How to make $300 fast. 16 creative ways to make $300 fast when you need money now. October 4, 2021 by Emma Healy. This page contains compensated links. Read the disclosure for more info. I recently saw a post in the Work Wanted thread on Craigslist with the heading "Need to make $300 fast, will consider anything." Of course, that drew my attention. The op needed to make extra cash by Sunday of that week or they'd be evicted and they'd consider anything. To this day I still think of that post and hope the woman found a way out of her troubles that wasn't too dodgy. If you're in a situation where you need to make money fast, I hope this list can be of some assistance. 16 ways to make $300 fast when you need money now. 1. Take online surveys. These are 2 surveys that pay you fast. Branded surveys now have some of the highest payouts in the industry, and I've known people to get $50 surveys on Survey Junkie. Sign up to Branded Surveys here and Survey Junkie here to start making money right away. Plus, more ideas for surveys that pay cash here. 2. Get paid to watch videos online. Inbox Dollars is a nifty website that pays you to take part in activities like answering polls and watching videos. You'll need to watch a series of videos in a playlist in order to be paid. Payment is made by PayPal, or you can choose to cash out with a gift card if you prefer. You'll even get a free $5 when you sign up. It's totally possible to earn $300 a month as an Inbox Dollars member. You'll have other opportunities to earn, including taking online surveys, shopping online, and searching the web when you join Inbox Dollars. 3. Share your internet activity. You'll have other opportunities to earn, including taking online surveys, shopping online, and searching the web when you join Inbox Dollars. 3. Share your internet activity. Nielsen will pay you to install a non-intrusive piece of software on your computer or mobile device. You don't have to do anything other than keeping the software installed. Easy. 4. Register for one-off jobs. Call labor hire agencies for night fill or inventory counting jobs. Often these types of casual one-off jobs are filled at the last minute, so you might get lucky. Depending on your skill set and certifications, you might be able to find other casual work that starts immediately, like babysitting, house sitting, bar work, or many other tasks. For more ongoing work, check out this list of part-time job ideas. 5. Sell some stuff. Your home is full of valuable items, and probably a lot of junk too, if you're human like the rest of us. For a list of profitable items you can flip when you need to make money fast, check out this link. 5. Sell some stuff. 7. Teach English online. If you're a native English speaker and have a college degree, you could earn between $14 to $25 per hour, teaching English to kids in China with VIPKid. Nicola wrote a guest post for me on how she earns money teaching English to kids in China while she travels the world. It's a great read. Check it out here if you're interested in teaching English online. 8. Start a money-making blog. Blogging is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but I make $300 a day, sometimes more, from my blogs even when I'm not actively working on them. It's taken me 4 years to get to this level of income, but it's possible to do if you're prepared to work really hard, be smart, and wait. Read this guide to making money blogging for beginners if you're interested in learning more. 9. Advertise on your car. Do you drive a car? Well, Referral Cars will pay you to put a small decal on your rear window. The decals are perforated. Think of the ads you see. 27 Best Paid Focus Groups Online. 11. Become a sperm donor. Yeah. Sperm is money. If you are blessed with healthy sperm, and you have no major health conditions, donating your sperm can be a lucrative way to make money fast. There are a few things to think about first, so have a read of this great piece before you pursue this cash cow. 12. Become a charger. If you live in or near to Venice, Santa Monica, Westwood, San Francisco, Palo Alto, Pacific Beach, San Jose, San Diego, Washington, D.C., Austin, or Dallas, you could get paid to charge birds. Birds are personal electric vehicles. Think adult scooter on crack, distributed via transport sharing network. Your job is simply to pick up birds, in your neighborhood, take them home, charge them, and release them the next day. Learn more about birds here. 13. 14. Sign up for Upwork. Upwork is how I made extra money freelancing before my blog was earning an income. I'd pick up work gigs as the easiest way to make $300 fast, especially if you have a specialist background or experience in digital marketing. I share all my best Upwork tips in this article. 15. Sell pictures of your feet online. Weird? Maybe. Lucrative? Definitely. Selling feet pics is a legit way to make extra money, and it's quite safe. The gist of it is you take some lovely pics of your neat feet, or not so neat, there is demand for all kinds of feet, and sell them various places online. This can range from stock photo websites to footwear brands to people that just like a good foot pic. You can read more about how to start selling feet pics here. 16. Sell digital downloads on Etsy. Selling your art on Etsy might not be a fast way to make $300, but it certainly can be lucrative. You don't have to sell physical artwork either. I recently spoke to Trina, who sells digital downloads on Etsy, meaning she does the work once and makes money over and over again. If you prefer to sell crafts or other handmade items, check out our in-depth guide, 30 Things to Sell on Etsy to Make Money, 2021 guide. There are plenty of other ideas to make money from home in this article. Related guides: I Need Money Desperately, 33 Ways to Get Cash Now, 35 Frugal Living Tips to Save Money in 2021, 33 High Income Skills Anyone Can Learn, 29 Genuine Ways to Make $100 a Day Online plus Offline. You might have heard of many quick online money making ideas but figured out they are either scams or would take a lot of time to generate cash. Well, generating a sustainable stream of income does require hard work and consistency, and there are non-sneaky legitimate ways of making extra cash fast. In this post, we will discuss 21 legit ways that can be used to help you discover how to make $300 fast using the skills that you already have. As you're deciding what ideas to go after, you will want to review the tools that I use for operating my businesses, as you'll find them helpful. Let's dive into it. How to make $300 fast. Help business owners produce podcasts. Most people get into podcasting as a way to share their thoughts with the world, but there is more to it than just getting behind the mic and hitting record. All these tasks of editing, writing outlines, and mixing are dreaded the most. Here is where you can come in. You can offer your services as a business or a freelancer who will edit, write show notes, and offer other podcasting services. If you need help setting up a podcast studio, I have an article for that. For a service like this, you will be needing a podcast host like Buzzsprout. This is the podcast host we use. Buzzsprout is a hosting platform that makes it easy to host, promote, and track your podcast. 11. Become a sperm donor. They have an affordable pricing system, great customer service, and compatibility with all the top directories. They can get you to an indefinite number of listeners by listing your podcast in Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Google Podcasts, and more. Do you want to kill two birds with one stone? You can also use StreamYard or Restream to stream live to all social media channels while recording the podcast. In this way, your clients can publish their content on multiple channels at a time. Use top education platforms like Thinkific, Podia, and Teachable to make and sell an educational course online. According to Global Newswire, the global online education market is projected to reach a total market size of $319.167 billion in 2025, increasing from $187.877 billion in 2019. Declining hosting costs and the growing need for accessing educational content are further fueling the adoption of this technology, thus augmenting the market growth. Hence, creating online courses is a great opportunity for you to make money while sharing knowledge. Declining hosting costs and the growing need for accessing educational content are further fueling the adoption of this technology, thus augmenting the market growth. Hence, creating online courses is a great opportunity for you to make money while sharing knowledge. You can learn how to create an online course at Udemy and then can consult with businesses to help them produce an online course so that they can share their knowledge with their customers. Topics you can cover can range from language, marketing, cooking, music, photography, health and fitness, gardening, computers to technology, and the list is unending. There are great tools like Thinkific and Teachable that can help you out in creating, designing, and selling courses. Do you know, a few editing skills can make you boatloads of money? Have you seen those compilation videos on YouTube? They get millions of views. Look at this screenshot from my YouTube search. People are repackaging other people's videos into random video compilations and hitting millions of views per video. It can easily make you up to $6,000 per month in ads only, and if you strategically add your affiliate links in the video description, it can open another stream of revenue for you. All you have to do is choose a topic and download related Creative Commons videos. Edit out the relevant clips and merge using any video editing software like InVideo. Remove the background music and add your own. If no budget, you can find free music files in the YouTube audio library. Write a search engine optimized video description to improve its visibility. Include your affiliate links and give a call to action. Consistently edit and add videos to your channel, and this has the potential to bring you $300 or more every single day. Start editing videos with InVideo.